Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Mike here from 100 Heroes. Today we're going to be opening up a couple boxes of the 2020 Donruss Football, the Holiday Blasters, and we got one hanger rack of the regular 2020 Donruss Football. So picked these up at Walmart recently. See the Holiday Blasters, you get looks like 88 cards. You get one exclusive rookie holiday sweater card. You can see it features a 350 card set, 250 base, 50 rated rookies, and 50 rookies. So yeah. You also get let's see, one blaster exclusive optic rookie rated rookie preview, red and green. Then you also get, you can find 11 rated rookies are rookies. And that's it. So let's go ahead and get started. With that, then real quick on the blaster boxes are the hanger boxes. These are just, you get 50 cards per box, and you can find 4 press proof parallels per box on average. So we'll go ahead and we'll save this one for last. I want to do the blaster boxes. They look pretty cool. So we'll see what we can find in here. Maybe pull out a TUA. Never know. A lot of packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 packs. It's a lot of packs with 8 cards each. Let's see what we get. All right. Right off the bat, we get Joe Namath. Jack Youngblood. Looks like, oh, there's a Jared Goff. Nice. Looks like a bunch of old timers in here as well, which is cool. Sherman. Let's see, what's this one? CD Lamb. Nice. Chase Young and Reggie White. Pack number 2. Let's see what we're going to get. Hunter Renfrow, Jason Witten, Fournette, the Golden Tate, Delvin Cook, Barkley. Here we go, Darnell Mooney rookie card, and Dan Marino. There you go, Teddy Bridgewater, Cole Beasley, Drew Bledsoe, Elderman, and Dalton Keene rookie card, and Aaron Jones. Pack number 3 we're on. Brandon Cooks, Grady Jarrett, J.J. Watt, Derwin James Jr., Casey Hayward, Bradley Chubb. There you go, rated rookie of Joshua Kelly, and Ryan Fitzpatrick. Let's see what's coming next. DeAndre Hopkins, Trey Flowers, Larry Fitzgerald. Good old Emmitt Smith, there you go, throwback. Myles Garrett. Mekhi Becton, rookie card. Josh Ross. So we got a Luke Clutchley. Excuse me, sorry about that. Chris Goodwin. Colin Johnson rookie card. Joshua and Benny Snell. Trent Williams, Adrian Peterson, nice. AJ Brown. Looks like we got a nice little hit coming up here. Tyler Lockett, Dante Harris, and oh, look at that. There you go. The TUA Optic, nice. It's a good hit right there. Antonio Gibson and Frank Clark. It's a nice card. Pretty well centered too. Liking it. You got Crowder, Higbee. Look at Marcus Allen, Jerry Rice. I like the old timers, and Drew Brees, Nick Bosa. You got a Javon Kinlaw rookie card here, and Michael Vick. All right. You could feel this pack already. Feel like this has the hit in it. Josh Jacobs, Josh Allen, Curtis Samuel, Eric Kendricks, Leonard Williams, and there you go. T. Higgins, the rookie sweater. Then Josh Uchi, I guess that's how you pronounce his name, rookie card. And Tyreek Hill. All right, so Minshew. There you go. Jim Kelly, Marlon Mack, Kirk Cousins, Jones, Andrews, Henry Ruggs, a third rated rookie, and a Miles Sanders. And last pack for this blaster. And let's see what we got here. Devin Singletary, Kenny Stills, Todd Gurley, Chase Winovich, Sonny Michel, and who is this? This is nice. Brian Edwards, the rookies. Tevron Diggs rookie card, and Bob Greasy. So we got a Marino and Greasy out of the Dolphins. And of course the TUA. All right, let's crack open box number 2 here and see what we get. All right. So, first pack in this box, Phillip Rivers in his new uniform, Josh Allen, Will Fuller, Barkley, Justin Tucker, look at this, Jack Ham, Legends of the Fall, Steelers, I like that, big Steelers fan. And we got a Cephas rookie card. Look at that, another Steelers, Jack Lambert, how do you like that? Jack Ham and Lambert, and the steel curtain. All right, second pack here. Got Ridley, Barry Sanders, Christian Kirk, Drew Bledsoe again, and Elderman. It looks like the same pack that we had before. For those guys, we got Andrew Thomas, rookie card, and Joe Mixon. Seems like those two come back to back. Let's see what we got here. Kenny Golladay. Who's it? Anthony Miller. Trooksby. I guess that's Casey Hayward. Bradley Chubb. Emmett Smith. And a Devin Duvernay rookie card. And look at that. Another Steeler. Fitzpatrick. Okay, so we got a Sweet, we got a Carrera, CJ Mosley. Oh man, okay. Myles Garrett again, and Austin Hooper. Rookie card we have is Darnell Mooney and Chris Jones. Sam Darnold again, Aaron Donald, Crosby, Chris Goodwin, Tyler Lockett, Harris. Rookie card is Dalton Keene, Patriots here, and Alshon Jeffrey. Saw that last card. You can't beat that, huh? Corey Littleton, Clark Jr., DJ Moore, Jerry Rice, Drew Brees. What do we got here? Rookie Gridiron Kings, Jake Fromm. Not bad. And there you go. Look at that. What a pack, huh? TUA rookie card, followed by Patrick Mahomes. Yeah, I mean, this is a killer pack. Not bad. Take those. All right, see what we got here. Doyle, Edmonds, Leonard, another Nick Bosa. Kendrick, what's this? What do we got here? Nice, Colby Parkinson, rookie card, optic. That's cool. And another rookie card, Bectron. I think it pulled him already. And Carson Wentz. All right. Cool rookie card. Right on the front. Usually it's take that. And they got Carlos Hyde, Matt Ryan, Williams, the Kirk Cousin, Daniel Jones, and DeGuara rookie card. And Talib. I'll save that pack for last. That should be the sweater card. It felt pretty thick. We got Smith, we got Taylor, Kerrigan, Michelle, Williams, Peyton Manning, Kinley rookie card, and Devontae Parker. Another Joe Namath, Jack Youngblood, Von Miller, Marcus Lawrence. This is pretty cool. What's this? DK Metcalf, Elite Series. That's pretty nice. Rookie card is Josh Uchi and Geno Atkins. All right, here's the hit from the box, the sweater card. Let's see what it is. All right, so Kenyon Drake, Stafford, Mark Andrews. There you go. Winovich, Jerry Judy. Little two-color rookie sweater swatch there. Isaiah Simmons for the rookie card, and Devontae Adams. So pretty cool. Let's get into the hanger box now. Big old thick pack of cards here. 50 cards. Michael Thomas on top. Let's see what we got in the middle. All right, Michael Thomas, Deebo Samuel, Randy Moss, Lawrence Taylor, LT, Thielen, Sterling Howard, Snead, Dean Liam, Gilmore, Sutton, Drew Lock, Amari Cooper. These are all your veteran players right now, veterans and retired. Julius Peppers, Peyton Manning, Phillip Rivers, Josh Allen, Fuller, Ridley, Barry Sanders, Christian Kirk, Galladay, Anthony Miller. All right, then we get into some of the proof cards here. Von Miller. Man, that's hard to read. Deebo Samuel. Randy Moss, nice veteran there, and LT. And we got Keyshawn Vaughn, the rookies. DK Metcalf, Dominators. James Morgan, the rookies. Legend Series, we get John Elway. These are really nice cards. I like these. Elite Series rookies. KJ Hamler. Aaron Rodgers, that's a nice one. Hardman Jr., the champ is here. Cliff Harris, the Hall of Fame. Legend of the Fall, Terrell Davis. Nice card. Jonathan Taylor from the rookie Gridiron Kings. Here we go into the rookies now. We got Wells, we got Lewis, we got Brown, Taylor. And that looks like it. Zach Ertz, Lamar Jackson. I'll take a Lamar Jackson any day. All right. So just to recap some of the hits over here. We'll sleeve them up here soon, but we got the sweater swatch card for Jerry and Judy. And the other rookie sweater card we have is from T. Higgins. Nice card right there. TUA. Optic. Colin Johnson, Raider rookie. Some Chase Youngs. Barry Sanders Elite. Another optic for Colby Parkinson. Jake Fromm, rookie Gridiron Kings. Another TUA rookie card. It's a good box, man. And Patrick Mahomes. And you saw the other cards I pulled out. That's it, man. If you guys could hit the like button if you like it, or if you don't like it, leave comments. Tell me what I could do to make it better. Subscribe to the channel. Feel free to let me know, man. Take care. Out.